What's good? What's good? That's good, people. Yeah, so today, me and a couple of my friends are gonna link up today. We're gonna cook some food. Yeah, we're gonna jerk some chicken, fry some fish. So, need to clean and stuff like that. So yeah, that's what's up today. All right. So yeah, peeps, this is my method of catching the charcoal. I just kind of light it a little bit and use my little fan here to blow it, so I'm not really in a rush, but yeah. So these are some of my ingredients. I was gonna cook original rice and peas today, but I changed my mind, so I'm just gonna use these and just to cook my rice today. Yeah, so we're cooking today, brown stewed chicken. I'm just gonna do some brown stewed chicken, some jerk chicken. My friend is gonna bring some fish come and stuff like that. They're gonna fry fish, but I'm doing my little thing here. Yeah, so right now I'm gonna get things started. I'm gonna turn these on and start stuff. My friends are not here yet, so I'm gonna get stuff started. So alright, that's my food trailer. It's a food trailer actually. Yeah, it's my food trailer right there. That's the name. You can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Yeah. So I'm gonna get stuff started right there. Alright. So actually I'm gonna do the rice in this. I'm not gonna do a large amount. I'm gonna do the rice in this. Chicken in that. And right there outside where we're gonna do the jerk chicken on the grill. And yeah. I think my friend is gonna bring his fish fryer and stuff like that, so I don't have to worry about that. So I'm gonna get stuff started right now. Yeah, so I'm gonna check the grill right now. So what? Still need to get a little hot. Alright, there you go. Yeah. So it's coming along. Yeah. Yeah, so I'd already seasoned the chicken. Yes, I already seasoned the chicken from last night. Marinate and stuff like that. See here. This is the jerk chicken. And this is what I'm gonna do with the brown stew with. Already seasoned and stuff like that, yeah. So I'm gonna fry it first. I'm gonna fry the stew first, and then I cook it now. So I'm gonna let this water here come to a boil for the rice first. All right. Yeah. So while waiting on everything, let's check the fridge here, and I see 2 red stripes inside here. I gotta have one in. This is how Jamaican open a red stripe or any liquor. We don't really use opener. We just use, like a knife or something solid, a lighter or something. So yeah, just gotta have a red stripe right now. It's a little hot too. There you go. Yeah, man. All right, let me check this grill now. Yeah, I don't just, let me see. I need it up to at least 300. Yeah, so let me check the grill. Yeah, I normally just let the grill, the grill burn off a little bit. I don't just put the chicken on it, So because I clean it, I just want it to clean it earlier, so I just want it to burn off. So it's coming along. I'm not doing a lot of chickens today, but yeah, man. Yeah, so I already put the chicken on the grill. Yeah, right there. just leave it for a little while there. So I'm gonna go back inside now and get the other stuff ready right now.
Like to relate straight from a band till now, what's so me remain. Tell them want fight to me sugar candy. And we come again. Fat pussy girl in on the resident. Say we got man in the stand. River, man upstate. Every day we greatness a update. If a cold up that, man hotter than a hot plate. And the kill them now, they're shaking in the earthquake.
Alright. That's not easy, Jamaican. Come on, back man. So big captain today, and it's great. Hey!
Yeah.
Yeah man, a big fish cooking. Yeah man, there's enough fish here, we're gonna eat it off even if we try. No matter how hard we try. Even if we don't eat for 3 days, we're gonna eat off. Yeah.
Not even if we want from your man and fish to the weekend.
How old are fishing?
A full of fun.
I'm more than 30.